Okay, 5 is this side of the room all the way to that garage door on this side, and this whole contents of this room. The big thing in here is this Edison 1340GH precision engine lathe. Serial number is 90118. Okay. A lot of the parts, looks like a lot of pieces to it, bits and chucks. Also this Enco milling and drilling machine. This little Delta saw. Got some steel stock right there. We have a cutting torch, okay, and bottle. We have some steel stock. We have an oven that looks like. We have these Bateman shears. Steel stock, nice little cabinet here. Tools. Okay, that heater's not included. Some motors. We got some toolboxes back here. Antique presses. A lot of little tools and odds and ends. If it's connected to the building, it does not go. There's that Bateman press shear number 10. And that's lot 5.